What's up guys, Jordan from Moss Motoring here again. Currently, oh, they don't even know about this car.
We're in a 220.
Yeah, we're in the BMW 220. It's a base model, obviously. Don't worry, DCT swaps.
Yep.
With the M steering wheel swap. It's the M220 actually.
Four banger.
Yeah. With the four banger. Pretty much, we're going to the dyno right now. We're going to Castle Performance in York, Pennsylvania, and we want to see how much this car makes. So we have some plans with this car. Thanks to Keys Motorsports, we got a bunch of mods for this car. Intake, downpipe, charge pipes, boost pipe, everything for this car that we're going to need to make power. And we want to see what the difference is between them. So the whole point is to go and get the car dynoed, see what it makes baseline, and we have a track day coming up. Track the car, see what times it gets baseline, and then over the next week we go and put on all the mods, go back to the dyno, see how much it makes, and then go to the next track day to see how it reacts. So who knows? I mean, it's gonna be interesting because I've never done this before. He's never done this before, so let's see what it makes. So we just made it here at Castle Performance here, and BMW heaven. Lots and lots of BMWs. Once again, we're in Pennsylvania. Having to go and pull the car around here, and yeah. But my goodness, we're about to run this thing on the dyno. What's this thing about to sound like? God, that thing's looking so good right now. My goodness. So I have no clue how much this car is gonna make. I know BMW likes to lie about their power all the time. So it makes 360 something, 362, 365 to the crank. So I don't know, I'm guessing 300, 310. That's how much it should make. What do you think it'll make?
340.
340 out here, okay, gotcha.
You lower your numbers, you get higher numbers.
Yeah, true. 600 to the wheels, right? No.
Yeah.
The number, it said 401. No way. There's no way. This thing's making like 390 to the crank, not 360. I don't know where.
I don't know.
Yo.
How is that possible?
Alright, so we just finished our runs. Once again, this thing made ridiculous power. It's making what, 341? 341 to the wheels, power-wise, and 390 torque. Which is nuts, because like that's so linear. It just has a little bit of efficiency problems in the turbo up top, but we might have something for that in the future. We'll be coming back here in like 2 weeks or so to get it tuned again with the downpipe and the intake and see how much it makes then. I'll see you guys later.